Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Let's finish these spicy buffalo chicken wings by coating them in homemade buffalo sauce and exploring serving ideas, storage tips, and delicious variations you can try at home. One of the wonderful qualities of homemade buffalo sauce is that you control the flavor. If you prefer a milder sauce, simply increase the amount of butter slightly. If you enjoy more heat, add extra hot sauce or a pinch of cayenne pepper. Those who enjoy a sweet and spicy combination can stir in 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey to create a delicious hot honey buffalo sauce. Garlic lovers may add freshly minced garlic, while fans of smoky flavors can include smoked paprika or chipotle powder. Once the wings have finished cooking, immediately transfer them into a large mixing bowl while they are still hot. Pour the warm buffalo sauce over the wings and gently toss until every piece is fully coated. Tossing the wings while both the chicken and sauce are hot allows the flavors to cling beautifully to every crispy surface. Presentation is also part of the experience. Arrange the finished wings on a serving platter and garnish with chopped parsley for a fresh pop of color. Traditional buffalo wings are served with celery sticks, carrot sticks, and either ranch dressing or blue cheese dressing. These cool, creamy accompaniments balance the spicy heat and provide refreshing contrast between bites. If you enjoy entertaining guests, buffalo wings are one of the easiest dishes to prepare in large quantities. Simply double or triple the recipe while maintaining the same seasoning ratios. Keep finished wings warm inside a low-temperature oven until everyone is ready to eat. They are perfect for birthday parties, football games, movie nights, family reunions, holiday gatherings, and backyard barbecues. One reason buffalo wings remain popular after so many decades is their incredible adaptability. Every region and every family seems to have its own version. Some cooks add barbecue sauce for a smoky twist. Others mix buffalo sauce with honey mustard for extra sweetness. Some sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese over freshly sauced wings, while others finish with fresh herbs or sliced green onions. For people who love extreme spice, there are countless ways to increase the heat level. Extra cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, ghost pepper sauce, habanero hot sauce, or Carolina Reaper sauces can all create wings that truly test your tolerance. However, increasing spice should always be done gradually since every person has a different heat preference. Buffalo sauce is far more versatile than many people realize. The same sauce can transform chicken tenders, grilled chicken breasts, sandwiches, burgers, wraps, tacos, roasted potatoes, cauliflower bites, shrimp, pizza, pasta, and even macaroni and cheese. Once you learn how to make homemade buffalo sauce, you'll discover dozens of creative ways to use it in everyday cooking. Proper storage ensures none of your delicious wings go to waste. Allow leftover wings to cool completely before placing them into an airtight container. Refrigerate them for up to 3 days. To reheat, avoid the microwave whenever possible because it softens the crispy skin. Instead, bake the wings in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 to 15 minutes or reheat them in an air fryer for 5 to 7 minutes until crispy again. Food safety is always important when preparing poultry. Always cook chicken till the thickest portion reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit using a food thermometer. Never rely solely on appearance because properly checking the temperature ensures both safety and the best texture. For even better results, many experienced cooks season the wings several hours before cooking and allow them to rest in the refrigerator. This gives the spices time to penetrate the meat while also drying the skin further. Small preparation steps like these often separate ordinary homemade wings from truly outstanding ones. Another helpful tip is choosing the right hot sauce. Traditional cayenne pepper sauces provide the classic buffalo flavor that millions of people recognize. However, experimenting with different hot sauces can create exciting new variations ranging from smoky chipotle to tangy jalapeno or fruity habanero. Every sauce brings its own personality while still maintaining the familiar buffalo experience. Pairing buffalo wings with refreshing side dishes creates a balanced meal. Crispy French fries, onion rings, potato wedges, creamy coleslaw, macaroni salad, corn on the cob, baked potatoes, or a fresh green salad all complement the spicy wings beautifully. Cold beverages also help cool the palate between bites, making every mouthful just as enjoyable as the first. Buffalo wings are more than just another chicken recipe. They represent comfort food, celebration, and the joy of sharing great meals with the people around you. Their combination of crispy texture, juicy meat, buttery richness, and satisfying heat continues to win over new fans every year. Whether you prepare them for a casual weeknight dinner or a festive gathering with friends and family, homemade spicy buffalo chicken wings always bring excitement to the table. With simple ingredients, careful preparation, and a little patience, anyone can create restaurant-quality buffalo wings at home. From selecting fresh chicken and mastering crispy skin to crafting the perfect homemade buffalo sauce, every step contributes to an unforgettable dish that delivers bold flavor in every bite. Once you make them yourself, you may never need to order buffalo wings from a restaurant again, because the homemade version is every bit as crispy, juicy, flavorful, and satisfying as the classic that made this spicy favorite famous around the world. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.